Welcome back to our channel, and thank you for tuning in and thank you for supporting us. But if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage us by doing so that we can bring you the latest news as they come. And together we shall support our great leader, ย็զ Kanu, IPOB, Eastern Security Network, to make our Biafran dream a reality. He say, Sunday Igboho opens up that ย็З Kanu is very smart and wise for refusing to join the Yoruba nation to fight for referendum together. Now, he has been abandoned and betrayed. According to reports, majority of the Yorubas have abandoned Sunday Igboho and cling to Tinubu because Igboho has no money to give them. Igbos were seeking for Biafran Republic, while the Yorubans were seeking for Dudua nation, all against the Fulani Janjaweed, our common enemy. But now, the Yorubas, majority of them, are shouting Emilokan up and down. They are now acting as if it's only Igbos who are seeking for referendum. The APC urchins went as far as sending Fulani terrorists to kidnap Isaac Fayose, the former Ekiti State Governor's younger brother, because he gave his hotel to Peter Obi's campaign for free in Ibadan. You know, the heart of an average Nigerian towards an Igbo person is evil, just because they are supporting Biafran restoration struggle. And God forbid Igbos remaining in the fraudulent contraption called Nigeria, because it has nothing good for Igbos. ย็զ Kanu was kidnapped and brought back to Nigeria by the illiterates and lawless Fulani jihadist government led by Buhari impostor. He was brought back to Nigeria, breaking the international laws of extradition and redemption, while Nigerians rejoiced because ย็զ Kanu was captured. But United Nations has ordered for ย็զ Kanu's unconditional release within a space of 6 months, with compensation attached. In regards to that, and of which the Fulani terrorist jihadist Nigerian government have no choice but to comply. And this is making the Fulani terrorists unhappy. They are not happy at all. But they are happy when mass murderers like Fulani terrorist bandits and Boko Haram are forgiven through their fraudulent, repentant terrorist program by the Fulani-controlled Nigerian army. You know, the Fulani Nigerian government pampered the Fulani terrorist kidnapper, Wadume, even gave him VIP treatment. The Nigerian army, led by Fulani soldiers and their commander, a captain, who was later promoted to a major, had to cut off the handcuffs placed on Wadume's hand by the Nigerian police, who arrested him. After the Nigerian soldiers the Fulani Nigerian soldiers, went and rescued him from the police officers, killing more than 3 police officers and civilians around. And they took Kwadume to their military barracks and cut off the handcuffs and asked him to go free. Another Fulani terrorist bandit leader, ย็παιGE, the killer Fulani Janjaweed, was given amnesty after killing thousands of innocent Nigerians and declared many orphans, widows, and widowers. Even another Fulani bandit leader was made a king in Zamfara State. But in Tinubu's case, he deployed criminal Nigerian DSS to invade the house of Sunday Igboho, someone who did not kill a rat, but was doing what was legal under Nigerian constitution and trying to liberate his Yoruba people from Fulani oppression and slavery. You know, when they wanted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to join IPOB with the Yoruba nation, he refused. He told them to fight for their freedom on their own, that he, with IPOB, will fight for freedom of Biafran people. A lot of people thought it did not make sense, that joining force would help, but rather, we can now see why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a prophet. Igboho was sold out by the same people whom he was trying to liberate. You know, he did not kill a rat, but was doing what's legal under the Nigerian constitution. And they sent the criminal DSS to invade his house, kill some of his associates. You know, the invasion of Lekki toll gate by the compromised Nigerian army, which the Lagos State Governor Sanwo-Olu first denied before the Nigerian military burst his bubble and he began to talk anyhow, that the power beyond him sent him because of Tinubu's ambition. And yet, Tinubu urchins, APC urchins, and thugs are denying that no one was killed at the Lekki toll gate during the Nigerian Youth End SARS protest. You know, the Fulani-controlled judiciary is now in a big mess and has lost another opportunity to entrench the rule of law, thus unwittingly tolerating the rule of force. The Ibadan division of the Court of Appeal set aside a judgment which declared the attack on Sunday Igboho's house illegal and nullified the 20 billion naira damages awarded against the criminal DSS for attacking Sunday Igboho's house, describing it as outrageous. But if they were to set bail conditions against perceived enemies of Buhari impostor and the Fulani Nigerian government, they would set it very high. They used one of their own, a Fulani terrorist Janjaweed judge, Justice Muslim Hassan, to carry out the job. According to source, they said he was paid 3 million naira to do the job. He should learn from the Fulani judge or Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Tanko, who was disgraced out of office as the Chief Justice of Nigeria after looting money meant for his other colleagues at the Supreme Court. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters, for watching this video, and bye-bye for now.